Beautiful brand new cars. Fiat 500C. Hot Wheels test drive. Blue drift box. Lexus RCF GT3. Custom Personnel 70 Chevy Nova. Ugh. And finally, 2008 Audi A4 Touring Cup car. Let's see if you survive your first elimination after this contest. This is a blizzard. It's been causing trouble all over the land. You have to stop it. Whichever team stops it wins. We really need to step up our game. We only have 9 members. They've got 12 and 14. 13 actually. Anyways, one of you 3 teams pick a member. I'll go. Yeah, me too. Go! Ha, found it. Ha ha ha. You didn't tell us it was French. Why is that important? I hate the French. Wow, racist. I am not a racist. Alright, buddy. Croissant. Ah! Oh, fucking hell. Oh, you are not scared than that platypus, wee wee. What? Oh no, I think I see it. What? What do you say? Oh god. A platypus? Perry! Perry the platypus? What are you doing here? No, get it on fire! The smallest team on Earth wins. And you 2 teams are up for elimination, starting with you. What, why? Well, you made a racist comment towards the French, and you're an animal cruelty person. Anyways, pick 2 numbers between 4 and 450. I mean 100. 449. 446. We got 200,254. You both received 951 votes each. You got 1,198. You got 1,225. You received 1,995. And you got 2,242. And you 2 both got 2,450 votes. 9,500. 10,177. 11,761. Final 2. The Peter truck only received 35,070 votes. And you got 120,284. It's a massive 85,214 vote difference. Why? Because you're a racist. You guys pick 3 numbers between 1 and 140. 123. 69. 88. That means we got 746,856. 1,224. 1,830. 2,854. 4,215. 4,589. You 2 both got 6,860. 14,563. And 15,350. And you got 26,688. 64,796. 114,702. Final 2. You flying car, you got 226,703. And grounded FX, you got 255,622, which is a 28,919 vote difference. Fuck.